Ay, Mama.
Iho, join us for tea and cake. Come on.
Sure. Chandler, I hope you're enjoying your stay here in the Philippines.
Oh, definitely, Tito Ivan. I'm just happy na I get to spend time with Cheska. Sana marami kaming ma-visit na places here in the Philippines.
Sige, papasyal kita ngayong summer.
Yeah, you should. I think you need to get exposed sa Filipino culture. Our tradition is something to be proud of. Diba, Mama?
Yes.
Kaya kami ni Andrea, pini-preserve namin yung aming tradition para sa pagpapakasal namin. Gusto mo rin yun, di ba, Mama?
I know what you're getting into and I don't like the sound of it.
Sabi ko na nga ba eh, sa pamamanhikan din mauwi ang lahat.
Aba, syempre naman, Jam. Kung walang kasal, walang pamamanhika.
Tama.
Shut up!
Ma, ang gusto lang ni Mang Conrado, makapag-usap tayo ng mabuti. Pag-usapan natin ng detalye ng kasal. Yun lang.
Oh, so you're urging me para mamanikan sa kanila.
Uso pa ba yun? Di ba it's an old tradition?
Well, it's a good one. Tingin ko, dapat ang pamilya natin at ang pamilya ni Andrea dapat naman magkita-kita bago magkasal, di ba?
Forget about it, Jaime. It will never happen. Hindi ako makikipagsundo sa pamilya ni Andrea, lalo na yung antipati kong tatay niya. Is that understood?
Mama, don't make this difficult for us.
Jaime, don't you ever bring this subject again, okay? Nakakawalang gana.
Okay, I guess pag-uusapan na lang natin to some other time.
Jaime, there will never be a next time. Forget about it. Can you imagine me, Doña Felisa Salcedo, mamamanhikan sa tatay ni Andreang pedestrian? That will never happen. Comprendes?